After a long drive south, we arrived at our next stop, a river safari on the Madu River. We booked our safari directly on site, which we learned was about 50% cheaper than booking online. After getting fitted with life vests, we boarded our private boat with a local guide and set off along the river. The Madu River is part of a protected wetland ecosystem made up of mangrove forests and a network of waterways dotted with over 60 small islands. It's an important ecological area and home to a wide variety of wildlife, including birds, monitor lizards, crocodiles, and many species of fish. As you cruise through the mangroves, the river feels calm and immersive, with several opportunities to stop on different islands along the way. One thing to note here is to pass under some of the low bridges, you'll need to lie flat in the boat, which makes this safari less suitable for anyone with mobility limitations.
Put your head down. I'm just gonna stay down. Just stay down. Another one. Put your head down. Oh, whoa. Put your head down. All right. Oh. There we go. Was that fun? Look at the birdie.
On the tree branch.
We stopped briefly at the smallest island, which is home to a tiny shrine, and later had the chance to hold a baby crocodile on another island. While the kids thought this was exciting, we realized afterwards that it's probably not the most ethical experience, so it's something to keep in mind if you're visiting.
He's okay, look. He's nice.
Baby.
Oh, that's cool. Guys, they're ready. Oh, water monitor. Oh. Oh, you see it, Isla? Ah. Watch out. Look at it. It's okay, walk. Oh, see? Oh!
Another highlight was a stop on Cinnamon Island, where we were given a complimentary demonstration showing how cinnamon is harvested and processed, followed by a cup of cinnamon tea. It was a great hands-on way to learn about one of Sri Lanka's most famous exports.
Second layer is the cinnamon. Rubbing hard for smooth the layer. When it becomes soft, then very easy to peel out.
Thank you. Oh, it's very hot. Will you hold it? Will you grab it?
We keep here to dry, not in the direct sun, on the shade like this. After 7 days, it automatically roll in and come brown color.
Give your hand.
Those are
Just smell it.